Gifts to make a noise about this Christmas from Real Deals for You.
This is the Irwin 17-piece 4X flat bit set. It's one of the most popular sets on the market. Why is it called 4X? Because these flat bits cut up to 4 times faster than a normal flat bit. And this is all due to the specially designed tips. The material removes much quicker, and you've got these cutting spurs on the side there to give you a nice clean hole. This is a fantastic set. It's got 17 pieces in it from 6mm all the way up to 38mm, and will suit most trades and craftsmen depending on what you use. Let's have a look at this set in action. So there you have it. That's the 17-piece 4X flat bit set from Irwin. Visit realdealsforyou.com to find your nearest stockist.